Good morning mga mare! It is December 4, 10 degrees, and I changed my jacket. Although iniwasan kong gamitin ko kasi kapitin ng dumi, but we're going to a place where it would be nice if I wear something black and red sa Harry Potter Studios. So it is currently 12:20 na yata ng tanghali. I told you that this trip is somewhat subsidized, so inasikaso ko muna kanina yon. But ngayon we're free to visit the Harry Potter studio, and I think it's about an hour and a half from here, so we gotta go because our ticket is at 2 p.m. So ang kagandahan yan, we have a direct line to go there. I think 2 transfers lang. I'll take you with me. Bumili ako ng sparkling water. So there is a direct line, but it is 400 meters from here. Yun, isang sakay lang. Tapos bababa na tayo dun sa station sa Harry Potter. Pero for this case, we have to go to A3. Ito yung pinili ko. Mag-aasapusa tayo. Tapos lipat tayo ng isang line. So 2 trains ang sasakyan natin to go to Harry Potter, and it's an hour lang pala from here. By the way, yung unlimited na subway pass natin will expire at 1:44 p.m. So saktong-sakto. Ito, tawid lang tayo. Dito tayo sa platform 1 sasakay. Okay, nasa Daemon Station na tayo, and lilipat tayo sa Pink Line. Ito, Oedo Line. Tapos sa Platform 4, we're gonna get off at Toshimen Station. Yun na yun, Harry Potter Studios na siya. We will just follow the arrows. Pagdating ng Oedo Line, we're gonna move to Platform 4. Ayan, Platform 4. Okay, we are now here at Toshimen. And ang problema, I don't know what our exit is. Kasi dun sa Google Maps, naka-Japanese, siya, text siya. So, basahin muna natin yung mga nandito. Oh, A2. Okay, so we're going to exit A2. Saktong-sakto tong natin, 72 hours na subway ticket natin. It's gonna expire in about 15 minutes. Okay, it's the last time we're gonna use this. We have to buy another one. Pero hanggang bukas na lang tayo sa Japan eh. So most likely I'll buy one day. Let me see kung pwede rito. Bawal. So we will just use Pasmo mamaya. Okay, just follow the signages for A2. As always mga mare, you have to stand on one side of the escalator para yung mga nagmamadali, they could pass by you. By the way, mga gutom na ako, hindi pa tayo kumakain. So, bago tayo magpunta ng Harry Potter, kumain na muna tayo. Because I am sure na hindi natin afford kumain doon. Ayan, may 7-Eleven. Yeah, kumain tayo dito. May mga signages naman kung ano yung lalakarin papunta doon. Like, ayan, nasa taas. So, we're just gonna follow those signages. By the way, bumili ako ng spicy fried chicken at saka isang egg sandwich. 492 yen total. Hahanap tayo ng pwestong pwedeng kumain before we go in. Our ticket is for 2 p.m. We still have 20 minutes. Grabe ang bango. May nadaanan akong yakitori na alam niyo yung mga trip ko, yung mga mukhang hole in the wall. Dapat pala dun tayo kumain. Pero okay na. Ooh, I see benches. Let's sit on the benches. Look, oh, Patronas. Newly painted yata yung mga bench. Bawal umupo. Naka-cordon sila. Do you hear those birds? 260 meters to the studio. Mare maganda rito during spring kasi look, oh. Mga dried hydrangeas yan eh, diba? Kahit dito, autumn colors, so beautiful. Our ticket is from 2 p.m. We can go in between 2 to 3 p.m. Tas hanggang 7 p.m. yung park. Tara, upo muna tayo dito. Having this on my last day in Japan. Sarap talaga. Yummy. Fluffy bread. Saktong salty lang. Very creamy filling. Yummy. Masarap talaga. But this one's a little bit oily today. Okay, it's only 1:53. I don't know kung makakapasok na tayo, pero marami na kasing nakapila ron. So, niready ko na yung Klook voucher ko. And we're going to use this to enter the studio. They sell admission tickets pala dito. Meron pang for 2:30. Pero may Klook naman tayo. We'll use that. The line going in. Something different. Hogwarts in the snow. Activity passport. Anyway, nascan na yung voucher natin. We're just going inside for some security scanning or x-ray. And then we should be inside na. We're done with security na. Bawal ng food and alcoholic beverages. Bawal din ng tripods, except mine pinayagan kasi maikli lang siya. So we're going inside. If you need a digital guide, you can buy it from here. Where are we going? Tour entrance tayo. Mamaya na tayo mag-food hall. Look at Hedwig. Wow, so impressive here. Tour entrance, 3 o'clock na siya mag-start. Hindi naman. September 2000, ang first day of filming. I am so excited, mga mare. Hindi ako expert, A little bit of a nerd, but I could get names wrong. Alam nyo na, kilala nyo na ako. Mga producers and posters over the years. Next section, no photos and videos. Okay, tapos na. So the first part was just reminders of rules, and then the second part, it's like a cinema and they just welcome you to the tour. So sige, paunahin natin yung entire group bago tayo pumasok. I wanna reminisce this. So, in-explain naman nila that this is not about the book, this is all about filmmaking, the sets, the magic that went behind the film. The challenge here, mga mare, is everything's in Japanese. We're at the Great Hall. Yummy. Charot. So, Christmas version pala yung feast dito. Sabi dito, sa first movie, they were preparing the food every day. Kaso, syempre, whole day of filming, days of filming, nasisira yung mga food. Kaya after nun, they started creating resin figures of the food. Ito si Hagrid. Yan siya kalaki, no? Oh, and that's Professor Flitwick, right? Sana may names, no? Sure, demanding pa. At tas yun yung mga, house chores. Snape, McGonagall, and Dumbledore. One last look of the Great Hall. This area is about the sets of all the films. They created 588 sets. First, ini-illustrate muna nila, tapos they build it. Tapos sabi rito, during filming, yung Great Hall, wala talaga siyang ceiling. Ganun pala yun. This is Stephanie Macmillan. She is the set decorator. So, iba pala yung production set sa nagde-decorate ng set mismo. So, she's the one who put all the details. And, it's interesting to know that she and Stuart Craig won Academy Awards for The English Patient before. So, big production din talaga tong si Harry Potter, no? Talagang matitindi yung mga hinire nilang tao. Ayan, no? So, when they create the set, somebody needs to fill in everything with props and decorations and styles. They call this white card models. So they begin with this so that it's easier for the production designer to understand scale and also so they can plan yung camera angles. I wonder if this is part of the set also. Look at this archway. Diba iconic sa film yung mga moving staircases? Siyempre, the people who read the book already know about it. But I remember, I was so excited to see how they will produce it in film. Sabi rito, they only built one mechanical staircase pala. Tapos they just use that one staircase. And then it's filmed in front of a green screen. They just added everything else. Ito yung moving staircase, so. Not sure if that's the original one. Pero, nakakatuwa, no? Isa lang pala ang binild nila. Tapos everything else was done using green screen. Abangan natin bumalik ulit yung staircase. Station A, B, C, D, and E. Ano to? Ah, portraits. Mga Marilok. That's me. Ang cute. They can take a video of you. Kita ba? Ngayon ko lang binasa to. Sabi rito, there are 6 snowmen hidden inside the studio. So the first one is on Harry Potter's desk. This is the common room. That's the fireplace. Saan ang desk ni Harry Potter? Yun ba? Common room to eh. So it cannot be his desk, diba? Or maybe there, on that side. Let's check. Dito sa boys' dormitory. Baka nandito yung desk ni Harry Potter. Hanapin natin yung snowman. Ayun siya, maliit lang. There on his desk kasi yan, HP nakalagay. Liit na mga bed nila, no? Parang pang 4 foot na tao lang. This is the Slytherin common room. Oh, pwede umupo doon. May mga umuupo doon. Upo tayo dito. At the Slytherin common room. Sali tayo sa Quidditch experience. Para akong bata, no?
Put my flag down. Hey.
Nakakatuwa naman yung Quidditch na yun, no? Para akong tanga lang. Oh, these are real broomsticks from the movie. This one is Nimbus 2001 from Chamber of Secrets. That's Nimbus 2000 from Philosopher's Stone. That's a bludger, 2 quaffles. Marami daw, yan iterations before they finalize kung ano yung look ng Quidditch. Kasi syempre, diba, Quidditch is not a real sport. Look, I found another snowman. There. Ang liit lang kasi niya. By the way, this is the costume of Ron Weasley in Half-Blood Prince. Ito yung costume ni Victor Crumb. Yan yung professor niya. Ano kasing pangalan yung professor niya? Ayun, Karkaroff. Yun yung boat nila, oh. Sorry, ship. Oh, the Goblet of Fire. Ayan, mga mare, oh. I think it's my favorite book, si Goblet of Fire. Dahil maraming nakakaiyak na portion. Oh, these are real costumes of Harry Potter. Or Daniel Radcliffe in the Goblet of Fire. And yun yung suot ni Robert Pattinson in the Triwizard Tournament. Same book, same movie. Oh, here's the goblet. Oh, it's a Triwizard Cup. And then, yun yung golden egg, diba? Yung ginamit nila dun sa isang game sa Triwizard Tournament. Yung tangkad ni Madame. What's her name? Madame Maxime. She is even taller than Hagrid yata, no? And this is the costume of Fleur Delacour. All of the Albus Dumbledore costumes. This was from Chamber of Secrets. This was from Half-Blood Prince. And yun yung suot ni Jude Law. Napaka-grand naman ito. This is the office of Dumbledore. Wow, it's so beautiful. Sayang di gumagalaw yung mga portraits. That's part of the charm, diba? Yun yung mga portraits sa office niya. Sila yung mga previous headmaster ng Hogwarts. Tingnan nyo, ang dumi. Talagang all the details, no? Kasi diba Dumbledore is 100 years old na. Or more. Alam niyo, nakakatuwa yung genius nung author ng book. Because at the beginning, name-mention naman to. Ganda, ano? Si Fox, oh. Ano kasi yung tawag sa mga to? Yan yung mga memories, diba? He puts it in a bowl called a pensieve, I think. Basta strings of memories yan ni Dumbledore. Kasi daw matanda na raw siya, so he captures his memories in bottles like this. Tapos he pours it in a big pensieve. Tapos dun, he goes in there to parang remember his memories. Sa movie, this stairwell moves so that you can go to Dumbledore's office. Dumbledore's army. Ah, okay. This was the time when parang they created their own group to rebel against what's happening in Hogwarts. Maybe that's the Mirror of Erised. Tama ba? I think ganito to kasi yung Dumbledore's army, they were based in a space na I don't remember the name but it leads to a room that can only be found if you know what you're looking for. Ito naman, the Vanishing Cabinet. Oh, this is very vital to the story because dahil dito pumasok yung army ni Voldemort sa Hogwarts. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyong pensive, yung memories. That's where it's placed so that they can review it or remember it. Medyo madilim, but this is the place where Dumbledore relaxes. Ayun, nakalimutan ko yung tawag kanina. It's called the Room of Requirement. So, the Room of Requirement is the place where they have met and started the Dumbledore's army. Wow, kakatapos pa lang natin sa production design. Costume and prop design pa lang tayo. Look at all the wands. Kanina yung wand yung number 3. Ah, kay Voldemort. Tingnan niyo yung wand niya. Ayun, no? May fang. Yung number 1, yun yung Elder Wand. Tapos kay Harry Potter yung number 2. Design your own Death Eater mask. Death Eater are the followers of Voldemort. Let's use this color. Yeah, this color. Congratulations, your mask has just been added to the collection above. Ayun. Ayun siya. You guys see it? Ayun, oh. Ang galing naman ng mga activities. Alam nyo, when I was reading the book, I didn't imagine Death Eater mask to be this detailed. Parang in my mind, it was the mask of... Alam niyo yung mask dun sa Scream? Si Whiteface. Number 2, Arthur Weasley's broom. Kaninong costume to? Teka nga, magbabasa ako. Anyway, this is what the section looks like. Yan yung Yule Ball dress ni Hermione. Simple lang pala, no? Bakit parang ang ganda sa movie? And she's so small. Ito ba talaga yung costume na sinuot niya? This looks like it's all about Voldemort. And that looks like it leads to the Dark Forest. Library? I'm not sure what that is. Potions classroom. Tara, pasok tayo. Gumagalaw mag-isa, oh. Sabi rito, they bought plastic animals and placed them inside the jars para magmukhang tunay. And all of the inscriptions are handwritten. Ganun sila ka-detailed when they were making the movies. These costumes were worn by the actors. Si Professor Sybil Trelawney, the Venetian, Phileas Flitwick, and who's the other one? Si Minerva McGonagall. Ito yung The Mirror of Erised. Pero mahaba yung pila, mga mare. Hindi na tayo pipila dyan. Naalala ko when I was reading the book, I was so amazed na Erised, kapag binaligtad mo, means desire. Si Professor Quirrell, di ba nandun sa ulo niya, sa likod pala si Voldemort. Tapos si Gilderoy Lockhart. Busit na busit ako dyan. These are the original costumes, by the way. This is Professor Lupin. And that's the real costume. Oh, yung phone ko nahulog. Remember this wardrobe? The Boggart lives there. That's where a creature that when you open the closet, mag-a-appear yung fear mo. Si Mad-Eye Moody. And of course, who can forget Dolores Umbridge with the cat there. And then si Snape. At saka si Professor Carroll. Alam niyo, sobrang naiyak talaga ako dun sa Snape na yan. Yung storyline niya. Even in the book, sobrang nakakagulat na. Yun pala yung storyline niya. Pero ever since, busit na busit ako sa kanya. And you have to remember, when they released the book, it took years for her to write the next book. Sometimes 2 to 3 years kang nag-aantay before the next book arrived. So, talagang nanamnam ko siya during my high school and college days. Ito naman, it's a dragon skeleton. In this area, they will teach you how to use your wands correctly. Hindi na tayo sasali dyan because we don't have a wand. And it's all on Japanese. It's all in Japanese. School supplies. Sabi rito, the graphics department designed everything a young wizard might need for a year at school. Hundreds of prop books were refashioned from existing books. Yung mga fake adventures ni Gilderoy Lockhart. Cute yung section na to. You can act like you are on set. O, diba? Yan ang challenge. Mag-isa tayo, so we can't do that. Anyway, let's move on to Voldemort. Oh, this is the real costume of Ralph Fiennes. Ayan, parang liit niya pala, no? Liit naman niya. Tsaka bakit may ilong to, Char? Oh, the Horcruxes. Let's check it out. No, it's not called the Dark Forest. It's called the Forbidden Forest. Pag may nag-appear na aswang sa harap natin, susuntukin ko sa mukha. Charot lang. Oh, there's Hagrid. Oh, Hagrid and Buckbeak. Tama? Yeah. Ang cute naman ito. Talagang nagbabaw si Buckbeak if you bow to him. Because that's how they greet you and show you that he accepts you, diba? Okay. This is the infamous blue car that Ron drove on the way to Hogwarts. The centaurs. One of the things that I was disappointed on sa movies that hindi na elaborate yung relationship ni Harry Potter sa centaurs. What's his name? Firenze? When I was reading the book, sobrang takot ko sa Dementors. Although nakakatakot rin sila sa movie, pero siguro iba talaga yung imagination mo ang tumatakbo, no? You can pretend to conjure Patronuses here. Ayan o. Ang cute! Nakakatakot din dito. Ay, dead end. This was the time when Harry was able to conjure his own Patronus. Kinikilabutan ako sa part na to. You know. Oh my gosh. Where's the Patronus? Kinikilabutan ako. There. Ayun. Ang Patronus ni Harry Potter is a stag. Wow, this area is creepy. It's the den of Aragog, the giant spider. I think we're halfway through. Grabe, anong oras na? Magpo 4 o'clock na, 2 hours na tayong nasa loob. Ang ganda. Mga photo spots. Bahay ni Hagrid. Hagrid's hut. Ang ganda ng hut ni Hagrid, oh. May pumpkin patches pa. Ayan si Fangs. Bahay ni Hagrid. Tapos ito ang cute. Tingnan yung kwarto ni Hagrid. May teddy bears pa. There's a car. Bili tayo ng butterbeer. Baka yan ang afford natin. Oh, the night bus is there. Butterbeer is 1,250, and then if you want it with popcorn set, it's 1,850. I just bought the butterbeer. Okay pa ako. Ang bango. Ano to? Hugasan ng kamay. Tara, upo muna tayo. Having my butterbeer in that iconic bridge. Mamaya na natin puntahan yan. Pahinga tayo kahit 20 minutes. 2 hours na tayo naglalakad. Tsaka look, ang perfect ko. Yung mga puno sa likod, autumn colors talaga. Nakaka-Harry Potter. And kanina, nung pinicturean ko yung butterbeer ko, marami naglalakad na naka-black robe. So, kala mo nasa Hogwarts talaga ako. Dito sa likod is the Privet Drive. Yung bahay ni Harry Potter, kung saan siya tumira before he went to Hogwarts. Pasok tayo dyan mamaya. Palitan natin yung angle. Gawin natin Privet Drive angle. Yarn. Butterbeer. May caramel. Para siyang caramel soda. Very, very lightly carbonated lang siya. At hindi siya matamis eh. I cannot say that. Yeah, para siyang caramel soda. Na may, anong flavor ba yun? Butter? Butter beer nga, di ba? Nakadiri yung buhok ko. Ayan. Masarap naman. Hindi siya sobrang matamis na nakakauhaw. It's quite refreshing in a way. Palit tayo ng angle. Yummy. Kamusta mga mare? So far ba nag-enjoy kayo? Parang feeling ko I gave so much details na malalaman nyo naman pag nagpunta kayo dito. Wala lang, I just appreciate the film kasi part of our childhood yon, di ba? As millennials. Change angle tayo. Nung medyo huli na, parang meron siyang off na lasa. Hindi naman off. Para siyang vitamins. Yeah. Hindi ko ma-explain eh. Para siyang, you know what I could say? Para siyang root beer na may pagka Dr. Pepper. Pero yung huli lang. Parang huli lang nung nitong baso na to. Pero yung umpisa masarap siya. You can wash your cup in this area. So you can bring your cup home. Souvenir na siya. That's the night bus. Yan yung sinakyan ni Harry Potter when he ran away. And then, yun yung ni Hagrid. Motor ni Hagrid. Tapos, this is the house in Privet Drive. Pasok tayo, konti lang naman yung pila. We're already here anyway. So, when you read the book, one of the first words that you will read would be number 4, Privet Drive. Yun yung bahay ng Dursleys kung saan nakikitira si Harry Potter. Sakto tayo, padilim na. Paglabas natin ng house, punta na tayo sa bridge. Sino ba yung nasa number 3? Si Mrs. Figs ba? Yung neighbor niya na part of the wizarding world, kaya lang squib siya. Wala siyang sariling magic. I don't remember kung dyan mismo siya nakatira, but I remember pinabantay siya or si Harry Potter ni Dumbledore kay Mrs. Figs. Yun nga ba yung name niya? Basta she lives with cats and she smelled like cats all the time. So, yung mga techniques na ginamit nila to shoot the film, like yung 10,000 letters where Harry was trying to grab one of them, yung lumabas sa fireplace. So, they use blowers. Tapos si Aunt Marge daw, they have 2 bodysuits or inflatable bodysuits to make that scene. That's where some of the mail came in, diba? Tingnan mo handwriting ni Dudley Dursley. Harry's bedroom. Remember, si Harry pa nagluluto ng breakfast nila. That was nice. Ayun si Aunt Marge. We are now at the bridge. Marami silang scenes na shinoot dito. One of them was with Dumbledore and Harry Potter. Yun yung cafe. Hindi tayo kakain dyan kasi mahal. Pero check natin yung menu mamaya. Ganda, no? This was only on the movie. Wala to sa books. Ganda, no? Ganyan pala. Pag gusto mo pala ng autumn site, dapat dito, no? Sa Harry Potter Studios. Ang ganda. Nakaka-add sa vibes. And these are the gigantic chess pieces. This was part of the first movie, right? Philosopher's Stone. Yung they had to go through obstacles to be able to reach the last, anong tawag doon? Chamber? I don't remember. Haba ng pila sa cafe. Ito ang food. Slytherin plate, bangers and mash, 2,900. Hufflepuff plate, roast chicken, 2,800. Gryffindor plate, roast beef, 3,200. At ang Ravenclaw plate, fish pie, 2,800. Oh, there's a special right now. It's called Hogwarts in the Snow Afternoon Tea, 7,200 per person. Bongga naman yan, ang mahal. May Christmas menu rin sila. Christmas backlot burger, 2,400. The Burrows Christmas cake, 2,200. Itong Hedwig cake, 1,600. They also serve beer and wine. Wow. Pero in fairness, ang daming kumakain. Ooh, they also sell basic sandwiches. Ano ito? Yan yung bento. Lemonade. Cola, 450. Pinakamurang food, 650 yen, no? Tapos it's only half a sandwich. Yung usually mabibili mo ng 350 sa konbini na buo. Pero ganun talaga, syempre, theme park to eh. It is 4:45 and the night bus is lit. Ganda. Meron bang details sa loob?
Come on, move on, move on, move on.
Trolley cart ni Draco Malfoy and Hermione Granger. Mahaba yung line to get your picture taken sa Hogwarts Express. At may line din sa platform 9 3/4. Pero konti lang. Ganda. It's as I have imagined it. Hoy! It's as I have imagined it. Feeling ko life-size ang train na to, no? Let's see. Wow. It's not the original train that they used, but this is the same one. Does it make sense? Well, it's not the original, but it's the same kind of train. Pasok tayo dyan. Ooh, and merch shops. Hanggang 6 PM lang ang merch, ha? You can have your own Hogwarts acceptance letter made for 2,600 yen. Itong mga notebooks. Ay, ang ganda. Pwedeng i-personalize, oh. Wow. Blank lang sa loob. Magkano yung journal? 2,600. Tapos additional emboss note, 2,000 yen. Wow. Honeydukes chocolate. Ang cute naman ng Book of Monsters. Is it a real notebook though? Hindi ko mabuksan. Huwag na natin galawin, baka masira natin. Ang cute! Christmas is Hogwarts sweater. And they're 30% off. Ang cute! Ang ganda, oh. Wow. It's 6,500 yen. 4,550 na lang daw. I feel like bibili ako niyan kung hindi ako vegetarian traveler. Alam mo yung mga scarves nila maganda yun, no? Hindi mukhang pang HP lang eh. Ang ganda naman ito. Jelly bean, 3,900. Itong Happy Birthday Harry, yung cake na ginawa ni Hagrid. 3,410 yen. Cute. Maybe this is something we can afford. Hedwig. How much is this? Walang presyo. 1,000 yen. Ay, so cute. Sorting hat. The Snitch. Hoy, yung magnanakaw. Charot. Ang cute. Book of Monsters. And the Happy Birthday cake. May chocolate frogs din dun. Oh, these are wands. Ito kay Luna Lovegood. Mabigat pala sila. 4,600 yen. I kinda want a wand. Parang feeling ko dapat may wand ka kung fan ka. Harry Potter's wand. Ito, wand ni Voldemort. In fairness, ang ganda ng quality yan. Ay, ito kay Sirius Black, maganda. Wow, and it's heavy. Grabe, no? 4,600 for something like this. Tapos anong gagawin mo dyan? Malaking chopstick sa bahay, charot lang. Inggit lang ako mga mare kasi I want one but I can't afford it. Ito kay Dumbledore. Professor Snape. Maliit. Parang maliit yung kanya. Same length lang. Di ba ganyan niya hawakan yung wand niya? Parang ganyan. Nakataas. Bakit may Hedwig wand? May lang to. Wala siyang wand. Ito kay Albus Dumbledore. Before he used the Elder Wand. Ganda. I love it. Look at all the details they put on the merch store. No? May mga pins. Look, it's so cute. Si Fox to. Ang cute. Parang bet ko to. Pero pag bumili ba ako ng ganito, gagamitin ko ba? Baka itatago ko lang rin, no? Useful sana siya. Magkano to? 1,500 yen. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. 2,270. One way. Magnet. 600 yen. Ay, ang ganda nito. Maganda to. You can have a personalized necklace made. 3,300. Yung key holder, 2,400. Yung charm, 2,000. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong letter. Oh. They can put your name on it. That you have been accepted in Hogwarts. Just go 40 years old na ako. Hindi pa rin ako na-accept sa Hogwarts. I bet. Ganda. I want all of it. Arte, no? I want all of it. Charot. Ay, ang cute. Ang ganda naman ito. 1,500. May cookies na. At may tin can ka na. Ang ganda ng backpack. Wow. Ganda naman ng keychain na to. Keychain. 1,000 yen. Okay. Hedwig. 2,400. So beautiful. But what does he do? Pwede mo siya ilagay sa kamay mo. And you can also get a basilisk. 4,000 yen. Buti pa si Hedwig, mura lang. Ito, 4,900. It's a puppet. At nagagalaw mo yung ulo niya. There are more items there. And this, yung mahilig magnakaw. Sorting hat is there. Dobby is here. Cute si Dobby pero minsan pangit din. Uy, don't be mad at me, Char. Nakakaiyak yung storyline niya. This is, what's his face? Yung sa Fantastic Beast. Ang cute. Si Hedwig at saka si Pigwidgeon. Funny to kasi he's very anong tawag doon? Smart ass. Tingnan nyo to, oh. Ang cute. Ganyan itsura nyo. A snitch keychain 1,300. Time Turner necklace. Gumagana siya. Ay, gumagana siya. 2,000 yen. Alam niyo ba, sa sobrang fan ako ng Harry Potter, yung keychain ng kotse ko, si Dumbledore, walang biro. Papakita ko sa inyo one time. Magnet. It's 600. 600. Yung mga cups. 1.8. Yung watch. 4,000 yen. Pwede ka rin magpa-personalize ng trunk ko. 13,000 or 8,000 yen. Ang cute. I want this. Is it weird that I want one of these more than an Hermes? Ganda. I bet. 1,300 yan. Ang ganda, oh. Umiikot pa. Nagdadalawang isip ako between these, the cookies, na you can keep the tin can, or yung personalized na necklace. Sorry, keychain. Mukhang maganda rin yun. Pati eyeglasses ni Luna Lovegood meron. Ang cute-cute naman itong mga to. Anong kasya rito? Ang ganda. Gano to? 8,000 yen. Ang ganda niya. I want it. Hala! Lahat na lang gusto. Yan to, mga Christmas tree trinkets. Ganda. How much is this? 2,400. Ganda. Ang bigat pa nila. Ngayon pa, oh. Mabibigat sila, mga mare. Ang ganda. Ito pa. Mga mare, na 2,300 yen tayo. Yung keychain. Tsaka bumili rin ako nung Hedwig na keychain na ilalagay ko sa bag ko. So, ibang tao nakalabubu. Ako naka-Harry Potter. Anyway, let's continue on with the tour. Fantastic Beasts costumes to. This is Jacob Kowalski. Yusuf Kama. We are in the Ministry of Magic area. Kasi na-explain paano nila ginawa each detail ng mga props or sets. Actually, this is not Ministry of Magic eh. Ano to? I don't remember if this is Ministry of Magic or what. But I definitely remember this kasi yan yung flu powder eh. So first, they start with ganyan. Then kinukulayan. And then it progresses to what we see on film. Wow, ang bongga. This is the construction part pala ng studio tour. And sabi rito, a lot of the background in Harry Potter is not printed. They're all hand-painted. Yan yung mga pigment jars nila. Colors, yung mga brushes. And this is how they do it. Root paint process. Do wood aging. Step 1, wood block. Step 2, grain exposed by brushing. Step 3, grain exposed by burning. Step 4, final age, wood finish. Galing. Even each pieces of rubble. Oh. It's a polystyrene block. They sculpted and shaped it, and then they added texture and paint. Grabe, no? Kaya well-deserved yung mga awards na nakuha ng Harry Potter, no? Ito naman, clay sculpt progression. From there to here to more details. Tas minomold nila so they can replicate it. Tapos, ito daw yung step 1, fast cast. Step 2, base color. Step 3, graining. Step 4, final finish. Look at that, oh. After explaining how they made everything, papakita nila yung finished product. Blue powder. Ayun, no? Ang cute. Oh, you can have your picture taken in one of the big fireplaces. Di ba yung flue powder, they use that to transport themselves from one place to another? Una sa lahat, the imagination to turn into reality the vision of J.K. Rowling, the author of the book. Oh, I remember reading about this. Pero bakit humans? Ah, okay, yeah. So, in the middle of the Ministry of Magic, there's a big tablet, itong sculpture na to, na nakalagay, magic is might. Because they believe that the wizards are more powerful than humans and other beings. In fact, may mga ibang ano dito, may mga elves din dyan. Hindi lang humans. Nakakatawa yung mga gadgets sa ano, no? World ni Harry Potter. Parang vintage tuloy. Ganda. Super detailed. Each of those windows are offices. Now we're on to creatures, dragons, and others. Nakakatuwa, oh, they even recorded yung mga actors that portrayed the animals. Number 1, si Crackerjack Crookshanks, Oliver Crookshanks, si Bobo, si Prince. Sila yung actors na Crookshanks. Here's an animatronic of Hedwig's face. Ang ganda, ang galing. In fairness, mukhang tunay yung mga movements niya. Ito si Hedwig. Ayan siya, oh, sa loob. And then they added feathers.
Welcome to the Creature Show.
Si Eddie Redmayne.
We'll dive into some magnificent behind-the-scenes filmmaking magic, all related to the magical creature.
Yung Niffler, oh, puppet pala siya.
Where I'm standing now is the
Mischievous that likes to get gems and gold. The Book of Monsters. Oh my god. Plant ni Neville and a mandrake. Look at the mandrake, they're so ugly. Oh, alam niyo ba, nung finifilm daw nila to, 2 puppeteers daw ang gumagawa nito. One moved the face while the other moved the legs and the arms. Ang pangit ng mandrake, no? The basilisk is up there. This is the... Di ba troll to? Ang laki niya, oh. Yung mga goblin costumes daw were handmade. Wow. So, si Dobby raw, pinasoften daw ng director yung features nila para mas mag-connect yung audience sa kanila in cinema. First, it's character design, then modeling, rigging, animation, texturing, compositing. Sayang, bawal kunan ng video. Merong broom riding experience, kaso it's a paid experience. So we're not gonna do that na. Sabi dun kanina, sound is 85% of the film. Tapos ini-explain na to do the flapping wings of a dragon, they use leather and fina-flap nila. 5 daw yung composers ng Harry Potter films. And interestingly, the first 3 films were composed by an American, John Williams. Sobrang galing. ina-explain nila how they compose the sound. Like, depende sa emotions. Kung, example, it's a fight scene, then it's more fast, mas malakas. Depende sa nararamdaman ng characters at that time. Do you remember the extendable ear?
I've got something, but it's mad.
We are now in the iconic Diagon Alley. Wow. Ganda, very immersive talaga. May mga wanted posters pa. Oh, and look, it's Gringotts. Oliver's. No, not Oliver's. Ollivander's. The wine, not wine, the wand maker. Cauldron shop. Slug and Jigger's Apothecary. Oh, the Owl Shop. Pet Shop. Flourish and Blots, the bookstore. Yung store ng Weasley Brothers. Puking Pastilles, Shenanigans for All. Magical Menagerie. Fine robes and gowns. Nakakatuwa, lumiliwanag at dumidilim dito sa Diagon Alley. All of the signages daw were hand-painted, handcrafted. Sila yung graphic designer ng Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts series. So sila yung make sure that all of the letters, all of the designs and layouts are distinctly Harry Potter. Ganda, no? Ang laki nito, yung clock ni Mrs. Weasley. Grabe, everything is so detailed, even stamps, so. Pati yung mga birth certificate nila, ang galing. Even this big tapestry, remember dun sa bahay ni Sirius Black? They have this. Tapos yung mga nasunog na mukha, yung mga hindi tanggap ng nanay niya. Ayun si Sirius, oh. Siya ba to? Oh. What is this section? Ah, that's for the candies. Ganda. Even yung details sa mga potion bottles, ang galing. Aconite, Armadillo, Bile. Sobrang galing. One thing that's even better in the movies than I imagine it is ito. The Marauders map. Sobrang ganda niya. Look at this, it's very big. Hogwarts in the snow. Ganda. Yun yung greenhouses, so. Hanapin natin yung yung hut ni Hagrid. They even put details there. At nag-iiba ang lighting. So, minsan daytime, minsan evening. Ganda. Ito parang lumiliwanag na. Sobrang ganda mga mare. Yun yung walkway, oh. Na iconic. Laki ng model, no? We are now at the one shop. Eme na one shop. Ganda naman dito. I think it's another store. Oh, they have new wands. Kung ginawa ka new wand, it will show you who it is. But ayaw. But it's not for me. Charot. Try natin to. Bakit ayaw? I'm not a wizard. Charot. Ang daming arte ko. Ayun. May fleur. Cute dito, no? And you can buy more wands. Hindi lang tayo maka-afford kasi. Ron Weasley. Yung one, 4,600. Tapos yung lalagyan ng one, 3,300. Pero ang ganda. Look. Ganda mga ma. I think we're at the end of the tour na. Kasi malaking merch store na to eh. Maganda rin yung mga merch dito, oh. The Dark Mark merch. Ang ganda. Gano kaya yan? There's no price. Mga pens. 900 yen. Ito. Ano to? Ang ganda, in fairness. Ang kano yung ganito? 3,200. Maganda, in fairness, ah. Ay, ang cute. Oh no, I wish I had bought this instead. Magkano to? 1,600 yen. Not bad, ah. Actually, alam nyo ba, yung dalawang nabili natin kanina, it's 930 pesos. Nakita ko dun sa GoTime app ko. I love it. Maganda rin yung keychain na to. Kasi most likely, Harry Potter fans lang makakaalam kung ano siya. Ito yung mga wands. Death Eater Snake. Oh my gosh, look at those details. Feeling ko, pag magkaka-collection ako nito, I'll collect the wands. Uy! Yuri, wag ka nang mag-collect. Wala kang pambili niyan. Ang mari bet. Bet ko. Ganda pa ng kulay. Ito rin ang ganda, oh. 3,850 yan. In fairness, ang ganda nito. I love it. This is so nice too. At ang laki niya. How much is this? Hindi ko makita yung price. Para alam nyo, diba? Hindi naman ako bibili. I just wanna show you guys. Ito rin cute. I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. Oh, it's 2,000 yen. Not bad, ah. Ito rin bang black? 2,600 yen. May baunan pa ng bata, oh. Ang ganda. Eco bag. Gano tong eco bag? Eco bag na ng Harry Potter pa. 650 yen. In fairness. Ganda. Yung advent calendar nila, 50% off na. From 7,020 yen to 3,510. Anong laman? Different kinds of beans. Ang mahal naman kasi. Uyo. Hindi natin masara. Ganyan itsura niya. Ang ganda rin ito. In fairness, 2,000s. Ang dami kong gusto. Buti pala wala akong pera. Ito, maganda rin. Ganda ng mga jewelry nila. Yung lightning na earrings, 10,000 yen. Ayan, no. But it doesn't say if... So, what is it? Is it silver? Or what? Ito sana yung gusto kong bilhin, no? Yung personalized na keychain. Minsan ka lang magkakaroon ng pangalan sa keychain. Kaso 2,000 yen. Watches are 4,000 yen. Itong necklaces, they are 2,000 yen. Depende sa design siguro. 2,600 to. Itong time turner, napakita ko na kanina. These are keychains. These are pins. Let's see. 2,000 yen. Ito, 1,000 yen. Ganda na mga sweater. It's 9,900 yen. Ang ganda. Tapos itong suit, 41,800. In fairness, maganda siya. Oh, look at the tahi. Ganda. Ito naman, cookie necklace, 13,750. May mga toys din. Ito, 4,800. At mabigat sila, mga mare, Display sila. Ganda. And you can collect them kasi look, number 1, number 8. The chess set. I will not hesitate to get this if I can afford it. Hoarder, 50,000 yen. Dobby bookend, 6,000 yen. Ito mari mukhang maganda. Hedwig snow globe, 6,700. Ganda. Yeah, feeling ko we're at the end of the tour na kasi puro merch na Grabe, ang dami kong gusto. Hindi yung mga tao, charot. Ang dami kong gusto. 1,300. Ay, naku Yuri. Kailan natin ma-afford to? Hanggang tingin na lang tayo. Oh my gosh, even this is cute. Ang ganda. Backpack siya. How much is this? Walang price. Hindi ko ma-share sa inyo. 6,000 yen. Ganda. Ano to? Mirror. 1,100. Naku mga mare. Daming maganda. Marami naman ako nabiling merch for the kids na nag-Disneyland kami. Bumili pa kaya ako nito. Oh no, Yuri, what are you gonna do with them? Kaya nga naman pipirma ka ng documents. Ganito ballpen mo, diba? Teka, magkano to? 3,200. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. 3,400. Ano to? Hook siya Hindi siya keychain. Ito parang Christmas trinket yata. The Gryffindor one is even better. Ganda. Hindi naman bagay sa akin yan, no? Ang ganda nito, 2,000 yen. Masarap kumpletuhin lahat, no? Itong mga mga pin, mga blind boxes sila. 900 yen. If you're gonna buy the entire thing, it's 9,900. Ang ganda nito ay open at the close. 1,000 yen. Oh no! Ang dami kong gusto. May isa pang section ng merch dun. Yuri! Anong gagawin natin? Uy! May Lego pa ng Mandrake ko. 9,980 yen. Oh, the kids will like that. Okay, I found a bag that I really like. This one. Oh no! Bagay siya sa akin. Magkano to? 5,300. Ang ganda. Ito oh, puro keychain. 2,000 yen, apat na. Ito, ibang design. Same lang. Wait, you can also buy a broom? What for? Just because. Hindi ko makita yung price. Ang cute ng Mandrake. 2,900 yen. Sayang, hindi siya tumutunog. Si Aragog, pangit pa rin ever. It's 20 minutes to 7, so magsasara na. And this is the biggest haul. I don't know na. Pero most likely hindi na tayo bibili. OA lang ako. Ang cute ng bag. For cookies. Golf frets. 900 yen. So cute. Cookies. So cute. Look at that. 1,800 yen. Ang cute. Tin can. Ang cute din ito. 1,700. Ang cute. Oh no, what do I want? Nabudol na tayo. 1,800 yen to. Pero ang cute kasi ng tin can. Uuwi naman siya. Ito, magagamit ko to pag nag-work ako. Uy, nilalagyan ng dahilan. Hindi, Chena lang. Maganda rin yung mga magnets nila. 600 lang. Uy, maganda rin to. Wait. Ay, pero 2,800. Ang ganda. Ang ganda rin ito. 2,400 yen. Ang ganda. At maganda rin to. Lahat na lang maganda. Pati yung black doon maganda. 1,600. Ito rin maganda. Charot. Lahat na lang. 3,000 yen. So nice. Yung mga merch nila na black maganda. Stickers nga lang yata ito eh. 700 yen. Grabe, no? Ay, ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda nito. 1,200 yen. So beautiful. Ito mga pins. Oh, nice, diba? Ganda rin ng gawa. Itong bag. 650 yen, pamalengke. Charot. May mga naka-sale, 300 yen. Huh? Not this one. Which ones are on sale? May mga merch na naka-sale, but I'm not exactly sure if sila ito. 900. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung discount. So, na-confirm ko na everything in this section is only 300 yen each. Oh my gosh! Wow! Ang cute pa naman. 300 yen to. Functional. Tapos, magbabayad ka na lang, mabubudol ka pa. Marami kang madadaanan na pwedeng bilhin. Ayan, magsasara na yung park in 5 minutes. Pero, pahinga muna tayo. Saktong-sakto pala yung 2 p.m., no? Look at what it says there. Whether you come back by page or by the big screen, Hogwarts will always be there to welcome you home. Mga mari, na-enjoy ko tong ano na to. Activity na to. I think if you are a Harry Potter fan of the books and the movies, I think this is something that you should visit at least once in your life. Tas mga mari, na-calculate ko, napagastos tayo ng 1,770 pesos sa merch. Oh my goodness. Ay nako, Yuri. Minsan talaga. Pero, hindi pa naman tayo nag-shopping. Actually, the only thing I wanted for myself was to buy new shoes. Kaso wala namang size ko eh. Anyway, ayun. So, that concludes our Harry Potter tour. I feel like during editing, mahihirapan ako kasi ang dami kong kinunan. And I wanna limit my videos to less than 1 hour. Even if it's something that's significant to me like this one. Anyway, sana sa mga tulad kong Harry Potter fan na enjoy nyo to. And kung hindi pa kayo nakakapunta dito, sana makarating rin kayo dito next time. Sobrang saya naman ng last evening natin sa Japan. And halfway to the hotel is Shinjuku. So, since nag-message sa akin isang client ko na i-move niya 2 hours later yung meeting ko, then we have 4 hours to spare. Whew. So, let's go there muna. I wanna hit one more spot before we leave Japan.